over, but the suffering remains. The walls have fallen, but souls still search for warmth. Today, on Wednesday, the 5th of November, 2025, we AlKhidmat Agosh USA are here preparing hot meals to our people to ease a part of their suffering. Our project is more than just feed. It is a promise that humanity never fades. Stay tuned, please. Here we go. We have just arrived at Al-Falah 1 camp in the north of Gaza to start distributing meals to displaced families. Thanks AlKhidmat Agosh USA for being partners in humanity and a reason behind the smile in the midst of pain.